In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the ln function in Excel. The ln function is used to return the natural logarithm of a positive number. This is helpful in many types of calculations, especially in math, science, finance, and data analysis. The good news is that it is very quick to use once you know the correct format. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and go to the cell where you want the natural logarithm result to appear. This is the cell that will display the final answer, so make sure you click the exact location where you want the calculation to show up. Next, move to the formula bar at the top of the screen and type an equal sign. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a function or calculation rather than regular text. Right after the equal sign, type ln. This is the name of the function that tells Excel you want to calculate the natural logarithm. After that, type an opening parenthesis. The parenthesis is important because it tells Excel that you are about to enter the value for the function. Now click the cell that contains the positive number you want to calculate. Excel will insert that cell reference into the formula for you. This is a simple way to avoid typing mistakes, and it also makes the formula dynamic. If the value in that reference cell changes later, the ln result will update automatically. Once you have selected the correct cell, type a closing parenthesis to complete the function. At this point, your formula should include the equal sign, the ln function name, and the cell reference inside the parentheses. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the natural logarithm and display the result in the cell you selected at the beginning. One important thing to remember is that the ln function works with positive numbers. If the referenced cell contains 0 or a negative value, Excel will return an error instead of a result. So before you press Enter, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that your source cell contains a valid positive number. That is the full process. Click the result cell, type the formula beginning with an equal sign, enter ln, open the parenthesis, select the cell with the positive number, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. That covers everything you need to know.